Okay, today is the January 4, year 2025. We're here at Pililla.
Yeah,
No?
farm.
There at the back is the Laguna de Bay, and the front is the Green Farm.
Farm.
Green Farm. There. Ganda, no? Dapat hiramin ko yung yung drone ng kapatid ko. Tapos lipat natin diyan. Okay. It's actually it's a first time for me to visit here. Yan. Ang gamit ko lang yung scooter. Kami ni Mel, no? Scooter 100, and Mel is using the Yamaha PG1, which is also 115. Okay, it's already
Nakuha ba yung Laguna?
there. That's Laguna de Bay. And it's 1:30. Saan tayo magla-lunch? Malapit lang?
Kawayan.
Kawayan. Yeah. And it's Saturday.
Oh, selfie.
Ha?
Selfie tayo, selfie.
Oh, sige. Okay. Okay. That's about it. Thank you.